Here we go. 2016 Leaf Best of Hockey single box team random double up break number 67. 67 boxes. First thing we're going to do is randomize list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers, starting with Edward, who had spot 1, down to Spooner 9ball, who had spot 15. Here's where I double up the list, so Edward is also in spot 16. And Spooner 9ball in 30. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quick. And we'll do the teams. All 30 NHL teams are on your nothing but a quarter, starting at the Anaheim Ducks. All the way around the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Hang on, guys. I got a customer, but I'll run through that quick. Just gonna be right back and I'll read off the Sorry about that. Alright, sorry. Let me just copy and paste those. All right, Larry Bird's got Nashville, Edward, Anaheim, Cape Breton, Buffalo, WRX, Max, New Jersey, Edward, Chicago, Colorado, New York Islanders, Larry Bird, Boston, Sharks for Life, San Jose, Spooner, Edmonton, Leafer, Minnesota, WRX, Toronto and Calgary, Leafer, Washington, Spooner, Tampa Bay, Lacey, Carolina, WRX, LA, Leafer, Montreal, Sharks for Life, Pittsburgh, Edward, Philly, New York Rangers, Vancouver, and Ottawa, Cape Breton, Dallas, Leifer, Detroit, Edward, Columbus, Ramco, St. Louis, Edward, Florida, MM Lacey, Winnipeg, Ramco, Arizona. All right, good luck, everybody. Box break 67. Break 1, break number 8 is coming up next, the 14-15 Ultimate Half Case. And last time I checked, we had 2 teams left in 15-16 Ultimate. Jack Eichel rookie going to Buffalo. Buffalo was Cape Breton 83. Gets that one. And we got these guys. We got a PSA graded 8. 1967 Tops going to Montreal. Jacques Lemaire. That one is going to Montreal. Leifer 12 gets that one. And there we go. Box break 67 in the books. Thank you very much.